engine lathe. In this video, we will discuss about engine lathe and its components. Now, see the 3D model of engine lathe and its components. It is the most common type of lathe and is widely used. The workpiece is clamped by the centers in the lathe. Main parts of engine lathe are headstock, tailstock, live center, dead center, carriage. In earlier days, it was driven by steam engine and hence it was called engine lathe. Working principle of lathe. In this video, we will discuss the working principle of lathe with the help of basic lathe operation. Now, we see 3D model of lathe. Let us see the principal components of the lathe. Workpiece, chuck, tool post, cutting tool. In a lathe, the workpiece is held in a chuck or between centers and rotated about its axis at a uniform speed. The cutting tool held in tool post is fed into the workpiece to the required depth and in the desired direction. The workpiece is rotated and the cutting tool is moved relative to the workpiece. That is why the lathe is also called as turning machines. Drilling. In this video, we will discuss the drilling operation of the lathe. It is the process of making holes on workpiece. The drill is fed slowly into the workpiece, which is revolving in a chuck. The drill is held stationary in the tailstock spindle. Grooving. In this video, we are going to see about grooving operation. Grooving is also known as recessing, undercutting or necking. Consider a workpiece held in lathe. The grooving tool is fed crosswise against the rotating workpiece. A groove is the location of an indentation in the part. This indentation can be square, round or angular in the shape. The function of a groove is usually to allow room for a fitting part such as a rubber O-ring. It could also be the place where another part fits into this part. Grooves also provide a relief in the back side of a thread where the thread terminates.